Practical activity 8.09, continue with 8.12 absolute referencing and a worksheet. Absolute, change the formula in C4 to be this. Okay, to just make one absolute. So in C4, you just, okay. So all you have to do is you just select this and just have to press over here F, oh sorry, F or F4. Right, twice. If you press twice, it will appear. Replicate the formula from cell C4, C5, C6. So C4, C5, and C6. Examine the formula in C5 to C6, right? Which cell references have changed and will have not? Obviously, you can see over here is that B has not changed, and you can see over here is that the following B4 has changed, right? But B1 has not changed.